Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Pipedrive user roles for sales managers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Pipedrive user roles for sales managers, start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the upper right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, locate the Company Settings section on the left-hand side. Click on Users and Permissions to access user management features. Here, you will see a list of all current users in your Pipedrive account. Find the user you want to authorize as a sales manager and click on their name. In the User Details page, scroll down to the User Roles section. Click on the drop-down menu to reveal the list of available roles. Select Sales Manager from the list. Once selected, review the permissions associated with the Sales Manager role. Make sure the permissions align with what you want for this user. After confirming the permissions, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click Save to apply the changes. The user will now have the Sales Manager role and its associated permissions. You can repeat this process for any additional users you want to authorize as sales managers. Finally, ensure that the authorized users are informed of their new roles and any changes in their responsibilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.